In this video, we'll learn how to create Google Quiz. Okay, let us start. So first you have to open the Google Chrome. Then you have to select these dot lines. Then go to Drive. Then here you will get the in the right side. Okay, so in the left corner, top left corner, you have to select the new. Then just wait. Okay, after selecting new, then you will get this option. Then you have to select at the bottom. You can see that Google Form. So you have to click there, then select blank quiz. Okay, so okay, so this is just for to create the Google quiz. Okay, you can create only for Google quiz. You should not go for Google Form. Directly you can have the option of Google quiz. So after selecting this, then you can change the your title. Okay, file name. For example, you are taking the quiz for some subject or anyone. For example, I am taking for some computer lab or computer subject, so I can say that computer lab. Okay, computer lab quiz. You can write like this. Then here, this is about the title, and you can customize also about. For example, you have to select this, then you can customize in a different fonts. Okay, then uh, here if you want to add some more links, okay, some external links, so that you can add also here. Okay, that is having the another option. Then remove the formatting, and then you can add some more description about this is for example, you are going to create for MSc student. Okay, so you can just add like this MSc. Okay, MSc second year student. Some description about these links. Okay, because sometimes it may be get confusion for whom you are sending details about that. Okay, right. Okay, after that, go to the setting. So here you can customize about the quiz. So first you have to make enable this option, make this as quiz, and here the first option immediately you are getting the response. So if there is a longer answer, then you can go for manual review. So this is the second option, and generally for quiz immediate action you can go for immediately. So here this is a respondent. Okay, what a respondent can able to see. Okay, so he can able to see the missed questions, and the answers which is been incorrect. So that option also the respondent can see, and correct answer can also see, and the point values, how much point for each value you are getting, and you can increase the points here. For example, 1 point, one question for 1 points, like that. So now again the second option, response. Okay, so collect email address. So you can collect the email address. So if you don't want, just say don't want. And if you want to get the email address of the each respondent, then you can say verified. Now, so send response a copy of the. So when requested, you can send the a copy of the this questions. Okay. Now allow response editing. Okay, so response can be changed after submitted. Okay, if you want, a respondent can again change the answers, then you can enable this. Otherwise, say no. Okay, limit to one response. For example, one email ID can response that quiz only one time. Then you have to enable this. Otherwise, don't. Okay. So presentation, for the presentation, what are the output you required? For example, you want in a progress bar, question orders, okay, shuffling of the order, make it off. Show the link to submit another response. Okay. So if you want to submit to give a respondent to submit the another response, you have to enable this. Otherwise, don't enable. Okay. So disable autosave for all the response. Okay, so now it is enabled so that it can save autosave. Okay, so generally let us make it disable. Form defaults, collect the email address, so you can collect the again. Question defaults, make questions required by defaults. Okay, mandatory, you can make all the questions to be compulsory. So these are the setting. Now let us create the question. So first question, let us create for computer labs. So I will just say what is full form of LAN. LAN. Okay. Now, so options you can provide. Okay, one option, second option, just some randomly I'm selecting something I'm writing. Okay, so that what there should be one should be correct. So another options, many options you can provide, not only four, you can go for two, three, four, anything. Okay, so here is the correct option is the local area network. So this is a correct answer, right? So you can you can create the answers also. So now you can select point one here. So by default it will be zero here. You have to make first point or based on you your requirement. So I will say 1 point is for correct answer. So this is a correct answer, local area network. Okay, now remove this. So this is a correct answer, and now you can add some feedback on the correct answer also. Okay, so the explanation regarding this, or you can get the link from the external like Google links for this explanation why it is correct, and there means the explanation for the correct answer, that link also you can provide here. Okay, right. So similarly you can go for the second question, then you have to go to this add question, and just the second question it will be start. Okay, then we'll go for another full form of RAM. Okay, so now I'll select another something you can add here. So you can check that all questions are going to be mandatory here. Okay, in the as because we have selected by defaults it should be mandatory, you no need to check every time now. So you can add none of the above also option. So the correct answer is here random access memory, the second option. There also again by default it's taking 1 point. So this is the right answer, and again you can add some explanation video links for the correct answer. Okay, then done. So like that you can create for many questions. Okay, then here is the response you will get, and it will get output in bar, sheets, anything you can create. Okay, then after that, after creating all the questions, you can directly publish this. Okay, so the link will be created. You can make a short link also using the option. So you can share link with anyone, then publish. Yeah, so this is a longer link, so you can make it short. Then after that, just copy this and you can share in any social media. Okay, after selecting copy, just the link can be shared. Right.